Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Okay, yara se na ya chiao amo akwaba biem ababi piem ewo GH Live Studios Ghana agudie kwantempo and I do and I'm so na bibia ekoso opponent watch and I drew sui ayeden sempani nyina some with regards to games outdoor eda Ghana version yen Premier League no animana se Krobia Mapoma Royal City Club and no see a doso nafi opponent no so there no more your what is the plot, the twist, the plan? Day and Karela air plotting Eddie Babi Kotoko on Sunday, Okumasi Babayara Sports Stadium. On this episode, Yababi revealing the amount, the tactics, the approach, plan bay, and Amadi Babi PM Okumasi. I don't be dumia at that questia da Yama Yen Saint training Emmanuel Menya, Nadaba Kwame Gracious, Aqua monitor on training, Karela training, and I think so. Wa monitor Kotoko training. Nti Kotoko de any ade somo de bia no. Kotoko next opponent Karela. See tutu Karela Shreni Abasa na yemati fon so ehu de omode ba on board ahead of the game baso eda the friend say kwesiara nti somme na me somo kame ho na me nka ho na yemfa nsempa ni nyina ensomo live ewo GH Live Studios. Na no achi yebedi asante ho nkomo kakra krobia mapoma metema Royal City Club asante Kotoko. Wamonso nkomo edi anim ha a ebedi na yede nsempa ni nyina no asomo no anya ochefa edi afri mo. Yes, Kwame Poku ebinom eke kansam kakra obetimi aba be ka Sunday game ho ana ontumi Brennan Krabia ena ebechere no so entwimu a yede ma yenati for now yene no so ntwefo ni bia share adwuma se on say general transfer window no yewo a couple of months to go na ye ba bibue ndi se obi ahase to tompenten kwa ka bi de man nkrofo ebinom atwemu a Kotoko ene chese boboko e friends Gold Stars player ba kon edi nkomo ne ade a na eno ho nkomo no sei na esitie ede anim but enya ono nko yes ena Kotoko monitor ye betimi asisu dia de ama say Kotoko monitor players ahodo mostly midfielders and afin so attackers Kotoko genre transfer window no one to be ade animu and in the obey augmented base 2-2 now by 4 players and Kotoko for now the anim and no and system be eba ye the baba 2 and a team for anim na bibia to me akoso wano ewomti what here your Gold Stars player no kwa ene Kotoko monitor no pacho sa na esitie no more enye ono kwa ene Kotoko monitor or no nemum other players be eka ho a omo nyina no Kotoko monitor wom se ne be na January transfer window no opina bibia betumi akoso telten na Kotoko afa ne ntuma pa e de afra ho no nti players be say Abrantia John Entry or this is still our baba talk Kotoko radar so I ne omo monitor no so e de free afire no e de na Richmond Opoku of Young Apostles and also Kotoko monitor nti what say bibia no Gold Stars Kotoko ye monitoring bi o ho a amanfo ahya se e de amanfo link teams a ene ye link mienu so aka ho ama Richmond Opoku of Young Apostles ono Kotoko monitor proceedings and a John Ng wasaba beto Kotoko radar so a eno nkomon kakra nkomon kitenkete sama be se ye de esum ye na team for now ye ko opponent watch Karela United any Asante Kotoko will date to make Nyameba on Sunday. Na league log no so no Ghana ye league no Kotoko any Boboko from say Karela game no etata so enya fedi agro kra bibia ede dana kwama niema hwe ni mu se betumi abaso numu ene ye kwa akohwe na opponent watch jumadi no ye de ama yenati for na bibia tumi atumpon kama live ewo GH Live Studios Ghana's numero 1 na ye hu se ni so no be ko now yabo games mako nson 7 games and yabo ewo Ghana Premier League no Kotoko de yabo 4 na Karela wabo 7 matches ni nyina watumi awini mu 3 games miensa and wawini and wa draw mako miensa wa lose baako out of 7 games no wa win 3 a draw 3 sana Tom Kruger beka 3 and afin so wa lose baako enti wanya one lost and I say wadi nkugo baako ena wa draw miensa ena wadi nkuni miensa na uhwemu a goals mako nso ena Karela ashe 7 goals ena Karela ashe emu 6 ena ashe tia wo mu 6 goals and a concede into more plus 1 goal. Almost 12 points. Sir, and the city. Kotoko the winning out of 7 games. You have 4, and we need 2. I draw 2, and you answer 3 goals. You shape in TI. It will league in more into plus 3 goals, and your 8 points. You know, Eddie to Jael. Nanaba Kwame gracious. Yensan Shawe. Na yamwa kwaba yamwa juma afa Karela ho. What me ayo? Nikosi say.
Chama Yahaya na so any Thursday. And me ho adi bi na me ra ho pa.
Oh, are they?
So nyame ya aduma kwasi ade bi. Ni na wotwe. Ana super class me ba so.
Kotoko has.
Na enra Raja ne waki game no hwe bi de.
Me hwe bi. Na ifo
And
ra no so. Me hwe pictures na kakra.
Me say stadium no be bia ya. Aye man.
Casablanca derby no.
Inti da ben pa na Ghana. Chairman, I'm a raffle. But ebe. Now we see no ko baby you mo free and you Africa ni mo no enye no kre. Sa. Na chairman adwuma no yaye. Na unu se adwuma nje wo de mai sa na enya botre ni ahwehwem. Na ye hu se ni enema enso esi etie. Na coach ha ne din ede Nurudin Amadu ene monemrantie no ne adwuma pa ana omo enso eye. Na Kotoko team no e ba omo start omo training Tuesday no. Omo de omo start omo training Monday. Say Sunday no omo ebo league game na Monday no ana omo start ya omo so eye train na unim say ayana clubs no omo wa bihia Kotoko ne ha to folk na aya omo preparation na omo e de ba games ni mo sa games ni mo no ayana very different pa omo eye ho atuma na ohwe team a leading at the Karela United Bobuku na emrante ne de dodo na enso e wo kwa omo eye trainer me no ka say sisia no ye nyanti e pre bia from omo kam say bia new injury be assetting in na e ba affect omo team na omo enso aye no na ohwe omo squad ya say Evans was able na problem Kumasi Asante Kotoko e hwe ni musenka omo nsa betimi aka no abrante no e join team na omo also ehwe golden cakes abrantia na din e dey bless eje ono ana eyo mo top scorer now wa share 3 goals e dey ama Boboku do omo nyina so e wo honom na uko omo defense no crampo a ene omo game a omo e ball na nsinya no wonu say omo player ba akon e make yen kan say player of the week na express omo team no very strong but omo strong ni nyina in terms omo ebo as a home team ana ekoyi enso ede ema omo na ohwe team a DD Karela United a omo start ebo omo bo na omo work from the back omo taye ho adwuma ye pa na omo awisu omo wings ni ye pa and sisi ohwe Kotoko enso Bobuku ni mu a your wing no e ka ohwe your right back na your left back na soja enema eye kakra enso ewo hono but ye de mon komo ne ye fante kakra na ye wura mu ni nkomo kakra fa firi ha sei enra club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye training ya fa nka episode na ye no na training na omo eye no uyi Isaac Minta ene abrante a ne din enso ede Walid Neema Fuseni Philip omo ana entumi an join the team no anye training e club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko na wonim say Tuesday no abrante a ne din de Kwame Poku entumi an join the team no ama omo anye training Tuesday no but na say enwa training course no abrante na edin ede Kwame Poku etimi join the team na ono so any omo eye training any other players in there omo nyina enso eye trainer
omo nyina be
yes Baba Yahaya Anderson team menu omo nyina enso aye trainer nyankopon adom bibia enso ekokama ewo kro bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebo buku no enso emunti say coach Abdul na say coach Nurudin Amadu ene ne mrante na eye adwuma no sanso na after say club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko nyema nkoye ewo Africa omokobo ewo Morocco no ankoye no Tuesday training koma coaches no mudi ye no eno training na eye super pa enso ewo honom na mame fa yentoa na Karela United team no amukọ awe a enkoye emfama wo mo and this season nso no Kotoko abufo games Kotoko away no okonya away win baako also
Nana ba jina ye mai wadama
what you mean can come at you
catch your girlfriend so nyabo she you are not afraid
la ready I will be at me for us
we are professional life okay.
Yes, chip no shame no be anyone wa for us.
Chipless girlfriend on girlfriend chipless phone. Okay, to us.
That chip really yam for us. O fresh way ma. Na coach Amadu Nurudin. Since ono Karela United coach no. Oye bibi say oba be yusu Kotoko wings ne pa yi. Na say Kotoko mistake kakra dia. Omo team a omo anim hono omo ye sharp.
Okay.
But omo town score goals. And we mistake kakra omo winning penalty. It was almost 7 goals are almost ashena. 3 goals penalty bless edge and so ashe di ama wo.
Okay. Omo tanya penalty.
And that yes. And omo team necessary ano. Omo use set piece pa. So it me goals. And omo captains and so very good. Omo last game omo boy against became United na. Omo first goal omo nya no. Na a defender de be asa go ndem awom. And ohwe omo anim ho from mfimfi ekire from eba mfimfi ekọ nanim na eye very good in terms say omo transition no very quick. Na emrante no de nienten e di ewura game we mu enkoma coach Nurdin Amadu ene omo edi ne say ayade a was say omo be show bibi say omo start a season no omo 3 away games omo bono omo nyanya win ehom enti was say this game no win di ma wo mo Kotoko akwakobo Africa anko ya mfama wo mo enti mentally psychological everything a emotional play one day when football say emotionally Albert amu akọ omo ntimi ha bien be affect players no any ade ni nyina no omo be say omo jusu sa ekwan no edefa so epushi Kotoko team no winning this game enti ama coach no any abre trainer omo wo team oni mu ye pa na omo formation omo table pa 4-3-3 but omo make sure say omo be use omo lack fast na so ye pa to say the coach Abdul Karim Zito also Kotoko team mo o use Patrick Esiedu any Lord Amuwa no eko omo anim no omo so use ni ye pa ana omo ye players omo so ebo physical game
okay
omo ye team a omo bo physical game because omo play yes ahoden no ewo honom ewo ho ye pa enti uwra Karela United bobo ko ni mo se siade a players a omo ewu mu no they are ready to play against Kotoko eno amoma ye nhyehyɛ sɛ ewo so omo bedu ha ntem enti nyankopon be ya adom Saturday nyankopon ya adom Saturday na Karela United team no ewo Kumasi
okay
so that ombenya enough rest na nyankopon ya adom Sunday omene kro bia Kumasi asante Kotoko team no enso ehia
yes Sunday na no mbesima bedro no ma bre mbaba bedro Saturday
oba bedro bia Sunday bia homate bia na se bi dabi omo make sure say ebedu Saturday awia ne de na team no aba bedro Kumasi na omo ne Kotoko enso e de asie ni na ohwe team ne mo sesia na ohwe last season na omo ye signings pa ye omo players omo do omo aba no very good though Evans was say we echo team ne mo no onyan starting a game and farmer always be on bench and ever because now Branton now already now injured and ohwe Evans was say we coach no need the kind adwuma as was Samates kakra and sana ono e free holom and coach no ehwe say Branton did Evans was say we should everything start game no Edema Karela United. But player to watch, I have Branton did bless Edge because Oshia Kotoko, MTF final, no, a Branton no she go, Editia Kotoko, or Yakoda, he's just 19 years. He's just 19 years, on 4th April 2009. 2006, just 19 years, the modern bono, and so I was really a party or a player to watch in that game. And see, boss player, Jumano Yahaya. Now, if you have 10 years, grown with team in the year, pa. Now, you think it was a Thursday, a channel Friday, no. If you have 10 great team in the year, pa. Now, you room and who the starting level because train no more, you know. You know, every training in the year, almost starting level now. Or maybe started team, sorry, I'm the best started game now. And Sunday, I'm going to Sunday game, no. And so to me, Abaso.
Okay, thank you so much. The last game on boy, Omushe United 2-0. Home.
2-0.
Now, goalkeeper that put me Daniel Afaju. And Abdul Fattah Mohammed, your captain. And also Ebobi. And Faiza Gariba, Eric Enchi Kunedu, Malik Abubakar, Abdul Rahman Yahaya. I think they also should go. Gideon Boateng,
Yes.
Alasan Ali, Abdullah Zakari, Danlad Nuhu, and Bless Ege. Ono any golden kick or both free kick at the share. Now, I'm bench, so Joseph Kwanzaa, Felix Mortu, Ganiyu Mohammed Abdul, Hafiz Abdullah, Joseph Bequin, Mohammed Asigri Suleimana, and Philip Adom, Abedi Karim, and Evans or Seiwusu. We and on the shares here a boy edit United. And also I'm who said 4-3-3 and on the Babi Shakoto.
Now, omu player na nidi Eddie Mohammed Yahaya no or a defender.
Yes.
So that can say in that game onya goal and when him say I think say player of the week he was part of player of the week this week in a buy ohwe ne modern bona na e was really pa and oba be share pro be kumasi asante kono ablante na determine ye pa say ono so betimi aboa na enyema enso timi akosi ye e de ama boboko no and also much the one now we are very strong we omu game omu any ho United Asia ya omu show 4 goals to 1 no apart from sago game no team being who was show more than 3 in almost 7 games omu abo this season no only ho United and team e show omu 4 goals to 1 omu elusi that game and on na omu game omu elusi in this almost 7 games omu abo in the Premier League and team no in that defense omo are very good attackers no very good but enye hu bia and omo away matches na enye hu and so Kotoko mi omo ni kakra bia kunimdie e be Kotoko so dia.
Okay, Nanaba Eberase, thank you so much for the accurate report about Karela United with regards to the opponent watch Jumedia or the Abdumiye at Thursday. Absolutely. I hope you say training Bebas in a second to training there.
Yes, on be training ne I know china na Saturday o rest na nyame ya adoma Sunday game no aba so yet say be a cramp friendly game ebetimi aba see ya na ebe wrem ntem na ya hakọ say friendly game ebe ba so en the sama so ne dia nyame ya adoma Friday o china de into ema so na omo de wrem see ya hwese be ende friendly game betimi aba so na say enyama so.
Thank you, Nanaba. Thank you so much. Nanaba, Kwame Gracious. I justice to the job. Thank you so much. Thank you.